الرحمن الرحیم. Welcome to Fazal Islamic Institute, Islamabad, Pakistan. حضرت علامہ شمس الدین امام سخاوی نور اللہ مرقدہ کا فرمان مبارک، ایمان کے راستوں میں سے سب سے بڑا راستہ نبی کریم صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم پر درود پاک پڑھنا ہے. حضرت علامہ شمس الدین امام سخاوی نور اللہ مرقدہ کا فرمان مبارک، ایمان کے راستوں میں سے سب سے بڑا راستہ نبی کریم صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم پر درود پاک پڑھنا ہے. Free online English language course, advanced class, lesson number 9, daily use sentences, part 1 and part 2. So today we're completing this lesson. Both of parts will be shared with you today. So let's revise few slides, then we go ahead for the new slide. These are some important sentences and important things, important vocabulary that we daily need. We need these types of vocabulary and words and sentences in our daily life. Student one says, hello, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, hi, good evening, hello, and hi. Both can be used, formal, informal. Are you Japanese? No, I am not. So this is yes, no question. Are you Japanese? Yes, I am. Are you Japanese? No, I'm not. What nationality are you? I'm Pakistani. Can you speak Spanish? Can. Can is word of ability. It shows. It's a word that shows that shows you the ability that you can do something or you cannot do something. So you can use, can you speak? Can you go? Can you see? Can you write? Can you drive? Etc. etc. So you can use different kinds of verbs, principal verbs here after can. Can you speak Spanish? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Yes, but not fluently. Or you can say, yes, but not very well. Not fluently or not very well. Can you speak Urdu? Yes, I can. Can you? Can you drive the car? Yes, I can. No, I can't. What do you do? I'm a teacher. I'm a student. I'm a mechanic. I'm a doctor. I'm an engineer. How old are you? I'm 30. Or I'm 30 years old. Are you single or married? Well, I'm married. Well, I'm single. Are you single or married? I'm married. I'm single. Where do you live? I live in Islamabad. You can also say, where are you from? Where do you live or where are you from? I live in Islamabad or I'm from Islamabad. How long have you been here? About 3 years. Islamabad में कितने अरसे से आप रह रहे हैं? 3 साल से. How long have you been here? How many children do you have? Of 5 children, 2 boys and 3 girls. How many languages can you speak? I can speak Urdu and a little English as well. So we studied these slides day before yesterday, on Friday, sorry. And now let's go ahead with some new useful sentences. So please repeat. Would you like to have tea?
Would you like to have tea?
Would you like to have tea?
Would you like to take tea?
Would you like to take tea?
Yeah. Take tea or drink tea. तो take informal है, have formal है, ठीक है, रस्मी गैर रस्मी. Would like to have tea? No thanks.
No thanks.
No thanks.
No thanks.
How about cold drink?
How
How
about
about a cold drink?
Wow, it sounds good.
Wow,
sounds
sounds
good.
good.
Sounds.
Wow.
Sounds means, sounds has different meaning. Sounds, it looks. Sound means it looks good. It seems good.
Sounds good.
It sounds good. It looks good. ये ठीक लगता है. Cold drink, हाँ ये ठीक, ये बात ठीक लगती है. Are you ready or do you need a few minutes?
Are you ready?
Ready or do you need a few minutes?
कभी हम जाते हैं कहीं किसी काम के लिए, तो तैयार होता है कोई बंदा, तो हम पूछते हैं आप रेडी हैं या कुछ टाइम लगेगा, कुछ चंद मिनट लगेंगे, ठीक है. Are you ready or do you need a few minutes to get ready? I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm almost ready.
I'm
Almost ready.
बस
I'm
तकरीबन
almost
तैयार
ready.
हूँ, तकरीबन में 1-2 मिनट लगेंगे, बाकी तकरीबन तैयार हूँ. I'm ready or I'm almost ready has this difference. Anything else?
Anything else?
Anything else?
और कुछ else? No, nothing or nothing else.
Nothing else.
Nothing else.
Nothing else.
Nothing else.
Nothing else.
Nothing
Nothing
else.
Nothing else.
Are you allergic to anything?
Are you allergic to
allergic
anything?
anything?
To anything?
Yes, I'm allergic to dust.
Yes,
Yeah,
I am allergic to dust.
Yes. I'm allergic to dust.
Yes.
I'm allergic to fish.
I'm allergic
I'm
to
allergic to fish.
fish.
Yes, I'm allergic to cold weather.
Yes,
I'm
Yeah,
I'm
allergic
allergic to
cold
cold
weather.
weather.
Are you hungry?
Are you
Are you hungry?
Are you thirsty?
Are you
Are
thirsty?
you thirsty?
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am.
Yes.
Yes,
Um,
I am.
Yes, I am.
No, I'm not.
No,
No, I
I'm
am
not.
not.
So these are called yes, no questions. Yes, I am. No, I am not. These are called yes, no questions. What would you like to eat?
What would you like to eat?
Yeah, I'd like to eat.
क्या पीना पसंद करेंगे जनाब? क्या पीना पसंद करेंगे? What would you like to drink?
What would you like
What
to
would you
like to
like
drink?
to drink?
Drink.
Drawing.
Drawing.
I want to eat chicken.
I
want
Want
to
to
eat
eat
chicken.
chicken.
या आप would के साथ जवाब दे सकते हैं. I would like to
I
eat
would.
chicken.
I would
I
would
would
like
I would
to
like
eat
to eat
chicken.
chicken.
What would you like to eat?
What would you
What
like
would
to
you
eat?
like to
Would you
eat?
like to eat?
Chicken, please.
Chicken,
Chicken,
please.
please.
Chicken, please.
पूरा जुमला दोहराने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. Just only use one word chicken. So the listener will understand you. यही written और spoken language में फर्क है कि written में आपने पूरा जुमला लिखना होता है और spoken में just आप एक लफ्ज यूज करें तो जवाब में तो बंदा समझ जाता है अगला जिससे आप बात कर रहे हैं कि आपकी बात का क्या मतलब है. So for eating, for drinking, you can use these type of words. अच्छा जी, चिकन चाहिए तो ये लीजिए जनाब, ये लीजिए. Here it is.
Here
Here
it
it
is.
is.
Here it is.
Here it is.
It is. Here it is.
Here it is.
Here
Here
it
it
is.
It
is.
is.
Here it is.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Sir,
Yes.
this is it? Yeah, it is. Here is it?
No, here it is.
Here it is.
Here it is if it's singular, so you say it is. If sometime it's plural, you can say here they are. I need some books. मुझे कुछ किताबें चाहिए. ये ले जाना, किताबें ले लें. किताबें, किताब नहीं, किताबें. Here they are. ये लीजिए, सारी किताबें लेने. Here is it. वो फिर अलग है, ठीक है ना. हाँ, वो क्वेश्चन जब हम बनाते हैं तो इस शुरू, ये जो है ना हेल्पिंग वर्ब, वो फिर शुरू में लगेगा, ठीक है. इज इट अ पेंसिल? इट इज अ पेंसिल. तो हम ये चूंकि इंट्रोगेटिव जुमला नहीं है, ठीक है, इंट्रोगेटिव ऊपर गुजर गया, सवाल ऊपर गुजर गया. अच्छा जी, here it is and here they are दोनों इस्तेमाल है, वाहिद जमा दोनों के लिए. How does it taste?
How does
How
it taste?
does
How does it taste?
How does it taste?
It's
How
delicious.
does it taste?
It's delicious.
It's
delicious.
It's delicious.
It's delicious.
How's the weather over there?
How is the weather
there?
over here?
How is the weather there?
How?
You can use only these words to complete your question. How's the weather? मौसम कैसा है? लेकिन फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप किसी से फोन पर बात कर रहे हैं, वो आप इस्लामाबाद में है, वो कराची में है, वो किसी दूसरे मुल्क में है, तो ओवर देयर, वहां का, आपकी तरफ का, ठीक है, वहां का मौसम. तो फिर आप ये इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं कि ओवर देयर, ठीक है. How's the weather over there?
How's the
How's the
weather
weather
over
over
there?
there?
Over there.
It's hot here.
It's hot
Hot
here.
here.
Hot here.
तब आप इस्लामाबाद में है, वो कराची में है, तो कराची से वो कहेगा कि ओवर देयर, और आप कहेंगे हेयर, वो कहेगा देयर,
Yeah.
और आप कहेंगे हेयर. इट्स हॉट हेयर, यहाँ तो सर्द गर्मी है.
Here.
इट्स
hot
प्लीजेंट टुडे.
It's pleasant today.
Today,
प्लीजेंट खुशगवार है. प्लीजेंट टुडे.
Pleasant today.
It's pleasant today.
today,
इट्स रेनिंग.
It's
raining.
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 इट्स रेनिंग.
It's
raining.
It's
raining.
raining.
इट्स हॉट हेयर.
It's hot
it's
here.
hot here.
इट्स प्लीजेंट टुडे.
Pleasant
It's
today.
pleasant today.
इट्स रेनिंग.
It's
raining.
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 डू यू अंडरस्टैंड मिस्टर रोजे? समझ आ गई आपको?
Do you understand?
Do you understand, Mr. Uzzar?
जी सर, समझ
Do
आ
you
गई.
understand?
यस आई अंडरस्टैंड.
Yes,
Yes,
I
I
understand.
Yes, I understand.
नहीं सर जी, दोबारा
Understood.
समझाया, समझ नहीं है. नो आई can't understand.
No, I can't
No, I
understand.
can't understand.
can't, can't, समझ नहीं सका, ठीक है. What time is it?
What
What
time is
time
it?
is it?
What
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 15 past 9.
It's
It's
15 past 9.
You can say 15 past or you can say quarter past. It's quarter past 9.
It's
quarter past 9.
उज़ैर साहब क्या
It's
मतलब है?
quarter past.
15 past 9 का quarter past 9 का क्या मतलब है? क्या टाइम है?
1 hour, sir.
हाँ, yes.
15
मिनट और
15.
बिल्कुल। जो हमारी पिछली क्लास गुजरेगी ये बेसिक इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की, तो
बोलिए सर।
उसमें टाइम पर पूरा लेसन है, ठीक है ना? तो वो जिसको चाहिए तो वो वीडियोस हैं उसकी यूट्यूब चैनल पर, वो आप लोग देख लें। पूरा लेसन है, पूरी तरतीब बताई गई है, जिसको जरूरत हो कुछ समझने की इसमें। ओके जी। Is there any mosque near here?
Is there any
Is there
mosque
any
near here?
mosque near here?
Yeah.
Yes, there's one next to the market.
Yes,
Yes.
there's
One next to the market.
Yes, there's one next to the market.
Yes,
Yes,
there's
there one
There's
next to
one
the market.
When are you leaving for Karachi?
When are you leaving for Karachi?
Leaving.
leaving.
Yes.
leaving.
To means when are you going to Karachi? Leaving for Karachi. Approximately
Approximately
on Monday.
approximately on Monday.
Takriban. If this word is difficult, you can use simple word, easy word, almost on Monday.
Almost
on Monday.
Almost on Monday.
Almost.
What time will you leave?
What time will you leave?
What time will you leave? What time will you leave?